Are you looking for a smarter way to train without hiring a personal coach? I've got you covered. Fitbod is a popular fitness app designed to create custom strength training plans using artificial intelligence. But is it actually effective or just another overhyped fitness tool? Here's an honest breakdown of its pros and cons with everything viewers need to know before subscribing. So, first, the question is, what is Fitbod? So it is basically a smart AI powered routines navigator, such as Fitbot analyzes logged workouts and gradually adjusts sets, reps, and intensity, focusing on balanced muscle development and optimized recovery. It has massive exercise library with over 1,000 exercises, each featuring high quality instructional videos from multiple angles. Users can train safely and confidently. Muscle recovery tracking, such as this is an app which includes a color coded heat map showing which muscles are fatigued or fresh, helping avoid overtraining and encourage split training strategies. So it has a very clean, user friendly interface. Navigation is intuitive. Plus, Fitbot syncs with Apple Health, Apple Watch, and other fitness trackers to streamline performance tracking. So there are some limitations and drawbacks. It has a slow progression curve. Many advanced lifters report that the AI takes a conservative approach, often holding back weight increases or workout intensity, which can limit fast muscle gains. So there's not really any free plan. Fitbot only allows 3 free workouts. After that, users must pay around $12.99 per month or $79.99 per year, with no permanently free version available. And also, it has occasional workout flow issues, exercise sequencing may feel awkward at times, and some routines require manual adjustments to make more sense for the user. So, who is it best for? Fitbit is a great option for beginners or intermediate users who want structured guidance, individuals who switch between gym and home workouts, anyone looking for a data driven training assistant that adapts over time. However, experienced lifters who prefer faster progression or custom program design may find Fitbot too restrictive. So, Fitbot is a powerful, well polished workout application that removes the guesswork from training. Its smart planning, recovery tracking, and massive exercise database make it ideal for users who want a flexible AI guided fitness companion. But for serious athletes or those expecting high intensity growth without manual input, it might fall short. So, thanks for watching. For more honest tech and fitness app reviews, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.